Hi, my name's Joseph Ilassi. I am the Chief Instructor of Marshall House WGKA Karate. Today I'm going to talk to you about the way of success in life. Many of the old-style martial art curriculums are demotivating, lack challenges, and do not reward effort to bring out the best out of young children, teenagers, and adults. Our newly structured curriculum is designed for students to develop passion, grit, and effort, to follow their dreams, to realize their life goals. This is the way to success in life. The new curriculum, grading structure, and instructors course allow students to transition from Mighty Might to Pee-wee, from Pee-wee to Junior, and from Junior to Senior, with ease, as a natural progression, because there are no age restrictions, no maturity restrictions, no grading transfers. Why? The curriculum is stepped up to take into account student age, maturity, ability to focus, and ability to perform the task. The student does not need to make adjustments or grade for transfers within the 5 curriculums. No need to wait years to grade to a particular level. The Mighty Might curriculum provides for 3 to 6-year-olds to grade every 1 to 2 weeks. The Beginner to Black Belt for all grades curriculum provides for 7 to 18 years plus to grade every 3 months. The Black Belt curriculum provides for black belts to grade every 6 months. This means more training, more gradings, more progress, more success on the mats, more success in life. The grading structure is stepped up to take into account student age, maturity, ability to focus, and ability to perform the task. The student is rewarded every time the student is assessed to be competent, by way of stripe, belt, and certificate. The belt reflects the grade and status of the student. The system provides for the student from the age of 10 to 30 years to grade 30 times. This will provide constant new challenges and a high level of interest in the art, many successful experiences on the mats, and much more training for success in life. The instructors course provides instructors with training, teaching skills, and certifications to, over time, teach the Mighty Might curriculum, the Pee-wee curriculum, the Junior curriculum, the Senior curriculum, the Dan grade curriculum. These highly qualified, well-trained and caring instructors provide quality tuition in an environment where they will transmit knowledge, skill, and highly motivating tasks that will provide the grit and drive to be successful on the mats, be successful in life. This 3-part system of stepped-up curriculum, grading structure, and instructor course provide for black belts to 1, grade every 6 months. This stops cramping of drills and skills 3 months before the grading, allows individuals to progress at their own pace, and furthermore, lifts the overall standard. 2, train in transitioning drills for greater speed, strength, focus, and grit to improve their fighting and self-defense ability. 3, train in transitioning drills that will allow the student to develop the ability to defend against an empty hand or a weapon attack by using forms applications, skills and drills from the Black Belt curriculum as the foundation for natural, realistic, freestyle defense. In summary, the Marshall House WGKA curriculum, grading structure, and instructor course provide more grade-specific training, more grade-specific gradings, and more grade-specific qualified instructors so that instructor and student progress at a faster rate. At Marshall House WGKA, the way to success in martial arts is the way to success in life.